612 this morning, and the cold front has come through. It just got weaker and weaker as it worked to the south, so that's why we're seeing the least impressive cool down. Even Houston feeling the impacts of the front more. 68 there, 44 in Oklahoma City. You can see a lot of chilly temperatures in many locations. Not too chilly over us. Don't be reaching for the jacket, even though a cold front has worked over us. You can also look for the fronts by looking at where the rain is. Notice there's a line of rain here and a line of rain back here. So you drop on the cold fronts, and sure enough, that lines up. It's just to the south of us. It's officially going to stall out very soon, we think. And it's going to stall out close enough to us. We've got to leave a rain chance in this area of high pressure. If it's keeping things very dry in many locations, it doesn't move all the way in. And that's also why we're not seeing the coldest air located under this high. But there is this front back to the north and west, and it does look like that front is going to get here as well. Right now, it looks like Friday evening, and that's the front that I think is going to lead to significant changes. At least it's looking that way right now. That's the front that I think most of us are going to be really happy about. But already today, we got to take what we can get. It's going to feel better today than yesterday. It's going to be a little bit less humid, and it's going to be a little bit cooler. In fact, 88 is where we should be for this time of year. So this was the baby front that warmed us from above normal temperatures, and now we've cooled down to where we should be this time of year in the upper 80s. For most of the day, it's just going to be partly cloudy. There are going to be some isolated showers and storms, the best chance near the coast, best chance in the early afternoon hours, but I do think the majority of us, especially if you live in the upper valley, are going to be staying dry. Winds not that strong today, out of just about 10 miles per hour. But notice out of the north most of the day, which is why we're going to be cooler today, because you saw all those cooler temperatures to our north. But tonight, winds are mainly going to be out of the east, and it's very warm in the Gulf of Mexico. So it's not going to be that warm tonight. It's going to be 72, but compared to normal, yes, it's still above normal. A normal low is 67. It does look dry tonight. Partly to mostly clear skies, and winds will be light. Now, for tomorrow, partly to mostly sunny. I think the rain chance even smaller. I've got to leave in a 10% chance. We're seeing a few showers, mainly in the afternoon, mainly near the coast. But with winds out of the southeast most of the day tomorrow, it's right back to 93. So yes, this is just a one day with normal temperatures, and it's right back to above normal temperatures for tomorrow, but even drier for tomorrow. And then we get to Friday, because Thursday looks like a dry day and just a hot day. And right now, Friday looks pretty hot too. Looks like right now, mid-90s with isolated showers and storms, but the wind coming back, feeling breezy. As it stands right now, we think the next front is Friday night. Now, I've listed this in bullet points because I want to mention that all three of these time periods are very subject to change depending on exactly how strong the front is when it gets here and how quickly it moves. Right now, though, it looks like low 60s Friday night, scattered showers and storms, windy. That could definitely bring impacts to Friday night football, and still some scattered showers on Saturday, breezy, but look at that. For high temperatures on Saturday, right now, it looks like the low 70s. By far the coolest temperatures we've seen in a long, long time. And how about Saturday night? Want some jacket weather? It's looking like it right now. Saturday night, mid-50s, but notice back to 94 by next Monday. Guys, back to you.